What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to FairTube. I haven't made a video in a while, to be quite honest with you. I actually got a few pickups while I was up north at work that I wanted to come down to show you guys. I also picked up a new camera. I got a Canon 80D, so I can make the video quality a lot better, and I can use my other camera that I was using for filming, which is a Canon G7X Mark II, and I could use that for different angles in the videos, like right there. So I ended up getting my new camera, ended up getting a Rode video mic to put on top of it, and literally within 5 minutes of it being out of the box, the cat actually chewed the auxiliary cord to plug into the headphone jack. So that kind of killed all motivation of me making videos and going out doing stuff. It just put me in a hell of a bad mood, and I've just been trying to get the microphone replaced ever since. So I finally got that sorted. Should be on its way. I'm going back up north in a couple of days from now, so hopefully next trip down we'll be banging out a lot more videos. Sidekicks, we did a couple of episodes for that. Being a new camera, I was still figuring out the ins and outs of everything on it. So the video actually didn't come out that great at all. I'll roll you a clip so you can see what I mean. Okay, this one's actually I say grail, but take that with a grain of salt. Like, you know how I feel like grail is like a shoe that's like so far out of your league, so hard to get. It's not like that, but like you all know, like I came from an SB background. I started collecting Air Jordans. My favorite one of my favorite Jordans is the Space Jam 11s, and this actually kind of embodies both, and that's the Nike SB Dunk Low Space Jam colorway.
I think for you that's definitely a winner. It makes sense,
yeah,
because of you loving SB so much and the skate style.
And being a big Jordan head. So yeah, in that clip you can see it's real grainy in the background. Lighting was bad. It just didn't turn out that good. The episodes themselves were great. Like the quality of the content was good. It was just image quality, it was just absolute horseshit, so that's why they're not coming out. Yeah, so, and it's been kind of hectic trying to get more episodes of that film lately, so hopefully next swing down, we'll be bringing you more Sidekicks. So Sidekicks is just gonna take a rest for a second there. We did go hard last swing on getting content going, but hopefully that next swing we can really get some stuff going. Alright, so enough messing around. We'll get into a couple pickups that I got. These are both Air Max 1s. I've been loving Air Max 1s lately. Hey, like shit's been absolute crack to me. So we'll get into the first colorway that I picked up right now. Okay, so the first one we got did come in the just your normal Nike box. It is the Air Max 1 size 13. And the color code on this is Summit White Sunset Pulse. Alright, if you don't know what this is the Air Max 1. They dubbed it like the watermelon, came from the South Beach pack. I think they did a Air Max 98 in this kind of colorway. They did an Air Max 95 in this colorway, Air Max 1. They did a few Air Maxes in this colorway, but I picked up the Air Max 1, so I'll pull that up for you right now. So, that's your color. The Air Max 1 in the watermelon colorway. So when these initially came out, I ended up picking up the what was it called? I ended up picking up the Milestone colorway in this one. Wasn't really feeling this colorway on pictures at first, but then I did see one picture and just seen, I don't know, it's going to sound weird, but it was actually like how long the suede was on the toe box of the screen. Just made it look absolute buttery to me, hey. So I pulled the trigger and I picked up this colorway, and I'm super happy I did. I think I'm on a bit of an Air Max 1 train at the moment, so I will be picking up a lot of colorways in the Air Max 1 as they come out. Still sitting on the fence on whether to pick up the Safari pack yet, but found a pair online for a good price, so maybe tonight or tomorrow I might pull the trigger on that one. Well, we'll get a quick rundown of the sneaker anyway. Got your green that starts all the way at the front, goes around the toe box, along the side panel, round the heel tab, and then you've also got green in the eyelets there, and then on your Nike Air print on the tongue. In pink, you've got your Nike swoosh on the sides, you've got your Nike Air on the back, and then written in Air Max on the tongue is also in pink. Your side panel and your heel panel are like a grey leather, and then your toe box, and then just up along your lining here is like a white mesh, and then you just got your regular nylon tongue that you get on your general release Air Max 1s. But yeah, I'm super happy I picked up this colorway. Probably won't get too much wear out of it in winter at the moment. When summer comes around, I'll definitely be killing these. Like, this is such a dope summer shoe. I'm glad I picked it up. So that was my first Air Max 1 pickup. Okay, next up. You probably already know what it is. By the box. This is an Air Max 1 anniversary box. I'm so happy that they did a restock on these because I missed out on the 2017 release. I'll open it up. It's got Air Max anniversary, and I'll read it to you. It says Air Max 1 anniversary on March 26, 1987. Something more than a shoe was born. The Air Max 1 was like nothing we'd ever seen before. Visible Air started a revolution. Over the next 30 years, it captured the imagination of dreamers and pushed the boundaries of what was possible in 2017. That spirit is still alive. Join us as we celebrate this milestone and look forward to pushing boundaries for the next 30 years. So, since these restocked 2018, we're almost hitting 31 years. But this is the OG colorway in the Air Max 1. Now, I have already worn these, so I ended up swapping the lace out. They came with like these OG white laces. I prefer just your normal white laces to these, but I'm sure a lot of people are going to disagree with me on that. It also came with your Nike Air hang tag, which I'm not going to keep the Nike Air tag left on there, so we'll get into the shoe right now. Okay, so I've been wanting this shoe for a minute, hey, but I still want to get this in the OG royal blue colorway, which I think is super dope. But the red's always going to be one of the best Air Max 1 colorways in a while. We went out, first time I wore these out, we went out to East Street Market, and I pulled out this old varsity jacket that I had at Crooks and Castles one. I haven't worn it in ages. I think I got it on sale like 2 years ago, and I haven't given it much warm, but I put it on with these, and I'll pop the photo up here, and fire. Absolute fire outfit. But yeah, enough talk about the outfit, we'll get into the shoe right now. They got the shape. They did the shape right on these. Toe box a little more rounded. It's not so narrow that you see on a lot of Air Max 1s. You got your red coming along your toe box, upside, around the back, exact same color placement as you've seen on the Air Max, on the South Beach ones that I just showed, pretty much. But it's like a really soft, it's almost like a felt material along the red, and then you've got your grey felt up along the side panels there, red swoosh, red Nike Air on the back there. I was sitting on whether to get another pair of these just to double up. Ended up sitting on that idea a bit too long, and my size sold out, but that's cool. I'm just gonna look after these. Super happy I got these. I'm fingers crossed they're gonna restock the royal blues. I still want to pick up the what are they called? It's like the kind of like the teal, the OG teal colorway that they brought out, but I mean they're going dirt cheap online. These ones did climb a bit in price after the 2017 release and after the 2017 restock. The blue ones I found climbed the most in value, but the teal ones are still sitting there. I think I can get a size 13 for $100 or something like that, so nothing too crazy, so I'm definitely going to pick those up. But yeah, like I said, the Air Max 1s at the moment is definitely the wave that I'm on. I'm hoping they don't come out with too many colorways, or else I'm gonna have to spend too much money on them. But it's just the way the game goes. But yeah, those are my two Air Max 1s pickups. So we got the OG colorway and we got the South Beach colorway. Both of them are super similar. in as far as color placement goes, but I love the color placement like this with the white. You color around the toe box, color on the swoosh, and then your mild color on the side panel, and then the rest white, just like the OG colors. But yeah, fingers crossed again, they come out with that royal blue pair, so I picked those up. But yeah, those are my Air Max 1 pickups for this month. Thanks for stopping in, guys. I hope this new layout works. Next, when I get down, we'll have the microphone on, so audio is gonna be better. Hopefully I figure out all the settings on the camera, the light will be better, the vlogs will be on, everything's just gonna be better. Alright, but thanks for tuning in for another episode, guys. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. Let's try and grow this channel. I'm still trying to push for my first 100 followers. I know that is the bigger milestone for YouTube starting off, but I know we can do it. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay fresh. Peace.